Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy this like silver, like really lime greenish makeup look. And yeah, please keep on watching. The first product I'm gonna use is my Milani, no, that's not Milani, sorry. The Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer with Hyaluronic, I don't know. Anyways, it's a concealer from Makeup Revolution. I love this concealer so much. I had to revisit it. I missed it. And yeah, I'm just blending it out with a dry sponge. And then I'm going to be using my Makeup Mecca Ultra Fine Smooth Powder to set it. Yeah. I really like doing this method where what I've been doing here lately, like using the concealer and setting it down with a beauty blender. I liked doing it with a dry beauty blender this time, and it seemed to work really well and conceal very well doing it that way. And then setting it down with the powder made it the next shadow go very smoothly on. Now I'm going in with my Milani Gilded Jewel palette. And the first shade I'm using is the, I think it's called Sultry shade. It's like a light brown shade. And this is just going to be my transition color that you barely can see on my skin tone. But it is slightly different, a little bit darker, but not much. And the next shade I'm going to be dabbing into is this Iced Out color. I did try using a flat, flat brush that could pack on the color, but that didn't work too well. So I did end up going in with my finger, and that worked a lot better. I just had to keep doing it with my finger until I got the intensity I wanted out of that shade. And now you see me using a fluffier brush just to blend that color very slightly, not much at all. The next shade I'm going in with is the, I think it's Tiara shade. It's like a lime green color, and I'm putting that on the inner corner of my eye and doing the same method as I was doing before with the Iced Out color. But instead of the outer corner, I'm doing the inner corner. The next thing I'm doing is I'm dabbing in with the, I think it's called Heirloom color. It's a medium brown color, and I'm doing like a, not really a cat eye or anything. I'm just kind of putting it on my lash line, and this is just so it, you know, the lashes won't be as noticeable. It just puts the look a little bit more together and a little bit, I don't know, I just like the look. The next two products I'm going to be using is the Ardell Brush On Lash Adhesive. I've missed this, and what works best for me is to actually use that brush liner right above the lashes, like painted on my actual eyelid. But you have to be careful with this, because if it leaks in your eye, oh my gosh, it hurts so bad. As you can tell here, it's kind of hitting it, but not really. And then I'm also using the LA Colors false lashes, and this is in the style Delightful. And since these lashes do cost only $1, I don't care if I use them up real fast. So I'm going to put the mascara on after the lashes. And the mascara you see me using is the Kokie Professional Stay Dry Waterproof Mascara. I love this mascara, and I believe you can get it at most Walmarts. I think that's where I ended up getting this. Actually, I think I got it on their website. They had some kind of like mystery box thing. Now I'm going back in with that that shade. What was that shade? The lime green shade. And I'm putting it on my lower lash line with my fingers, Tiara. And I'm also using the like a angled brush with some setting spray to put on the lower lash line, and then I'll use a fluffy brush to brush it out. But yeah, that's pretty much the look. I love it. It's an everyday little look with some glitter and silver and lime green. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye.